What's up, bro? Yo.
What's going on?
Happening.
Yeah, and then with some kind of filter. That's what it looks like. Yeah, I like that. What do you think?
So the other bike broke down, but these guys were great and they hustled and they got me a replacement. So they got it over here in time. So hopefully we can make that photo shoot. Let's get it. Alright guys, quick vlog update. The bike's rocking. I'm pissing everybody off because it's so goddamn loud, but you know I love it, so that's really all that matters. So we stopped off at a fruit stand. Emma's getting some supplies for the photo shoot. We have the models coming in about 2 hours to the hotel, which is right on the beach. So it should be a good time. We're just picking up some last minute supplies. We're gonna go over there, get changed, get the drone in there. You guys are gonna love that. Let's go.
Today.
I know, I'm like already sweating. Hi, it's nice to meet you.
Good to see you. What's up, Teddy?
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Great. Hi, I'm Andrew.
Nice to meet you. It is a
Hey Zach, it's a pleasure to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
That was a good pronunciation.
It is nice color.
Do you need something cinched or anything, or is it good?
I just did this.
Perfect.
I mean, my sister moved to São Paulo, where she works at.
I don't like it. It's like New York City. It's huge.
So yeah, we're just doing catalog basic, like front, left, right.
Okay, here.
Yeah.
Now is it full body cropped and then now detail?
I
Or
think I like full crop.
okay, so it's you can feed in the start.
Yeah.
I understand. So details.
Yeah, so somewhere like this side. Yeah. You do it other again?
Do you want this?
Oh yeah.
You look so good like that, man. I love it. So we got our fruit table set up. The models are in place. We're direct in the sunlight.
Like that. See, like. Little bit. Like, Alex speaks Portuguese.
So all 6 phrases and you pretend like you're fluent?
No, I never said I was fluent.
Hey, confidence is everything, man.
But my pronunciation is good, isn't it? You see?
We're still shooting. Turns out when you have a beautiful beach, good lighting, and beautiful models, you just keep shooting photos. So here we are. Bro, it's good to meet you, fam. So if you guys like seeing this guy and you want more content with him, I think you might. He lives in Shanghai near me, so we're gonna go get some motorcycles and drive around.
Yeah, man,
and mess it up, right? Yeah?
Absolutely. Go up and down the coast with those loud bikes that you all love.
So that's it for this vlog, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. We're down here in Uluwatu at such an amazing venue, shooting some beautiful models with a couple really cool photographers. What else do you need, you know what I mean? So, really good time. These views are insane. Hey, great to meet you.
So nice to meet you.
Until next time.
Peace out.
Hope you guys enjoyed that vlog from Uluwatu. How about these beautiful ladies? If you guys like more of that content, like, comment, subscribe. You know the deal. See you next time. Later.